Welcome back to the Electricians 2 channel. Today I want to introduce you guys to one of my newest multimeters that I just received today. This one is by a company. A lot of you may know or may not know this company, but they've been out for a while. And they make some high-end test instruments. Those of you who do a lot of electronic work, bench work, and some of you who are in the field and who've been around, electrical for a long time, they may have heard of this company. The company name is GOSSEN METRAWATT. It's a company out of Germany. In fact, it was founded in Nuremberg, Germany, and was headquartered in Nuremberg, Germany, and it was founded in 2005. Now, this is a total different multimeter, the way it look, the way it's shaped, than their usual multimeters that they have on the market. And the reason being that this one is a rebrand. This multimeter, it was made in India by a company called Rishab, if I'm pronouncing it correctly. Rishab. It is spelled R-I-S-H-A-B-H, and it's one of India's high-end multimeter manufacturers also. And they made this multimeter. In fact, they sell it under their brand name, Rishab. I think it's the 615 or the 616. That's the model number, 615 or 616. This same exact meter. The only difference is the rubber holster here, the rubber boot is red. Now, I was trying to get one of their multimeters before, the one from Rishab. But when I tried to buy it, oh man, it was hard to get it. I think the person I was buying it from was more or less like a con, and they tried to get my money. They never sent me the multimeter, but that's why I go through PayPal. Whenever I buy anything, I go through PayPal, and so somebody could be responsible for my money if something was to happen. So they never sent me the meter, and I got my money back. So, that's some of the risk you take sometime when you buy things from overseas. You guys be careful with that. Not everybody, not all transactions are bad, but this one that I experienced just happened to be bad. So I won't be doing any tests with this meter today. This is more or less an unboxing, just to let you see what's inside of it. I've already installed the batteries inside, so that I didn't want that to take up too much time. So I'm taking it out of the box and let you guys look and see the contents inside. And the next time I'll do a video where we'll go into more detail with a few more little tests and with some comparisons. So you guys stay tuned for that. And as always, if this is your first time visiting the channel, I ask that you guys, when you finish the video, if you like the video or you gain something from it, I would appreciate it if you hit the like button, if you hit the subscribe button, and leave a comment. I love talking twos. If you know anything about this company, you can talk about it. If you have anything to say, it may not even be about this multimeter, but, let's just keep it clean, fellas. I've received some stuff, some kind of comments. Guys, it's not that serious. You don't, it's not set up for all that. So, keep your anger to yourself, okay? But anyway, if you guys like the video, I appreciate you if you hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, leave a comment. Those of you who are always, who've been supporting the channel, I appreciate you guys. And all of this is for free. It's for free, just in support of the channel. That's why I'm asking you about this. So let's move on. I'm going to unbox this multimeter and let you guys have a look inside, and go from there. What I've noticed lately is a lot of these companies now, well, I guess you say a lot of ones from overseas, from around where they started to just put it in a plain white box. And that's okay. Instead of, it saves money. And let me see. But just give you an idea of what's inside the box, okay? Now, this pack right here with the silica inside of it, they had two Duracell AA batteries in here that I've already installed. So that's what that was for. The test leads, I haven't checked these out yet, but let's see. GOSSEN is known for making high-end equipment, and we'll see just if they, when they licensed Riship to make this for them, let's just see if they spared any expense, because they have a reputation for making some pretty decent test instruments. So, well, I tell you this, guys, these test leads are fantastic. Oh my goodness, yes. Yeah. And, you know, honestly, you know, it's not too often that I've received test leads from, you know, no pun intended, from when I purchase a foreign multimeter, the test leads be in this, I mean, of this high quality. Guys, this would give Fluke a run for his money. But that's all I'm going to say. I'm going to get into more details in another video. But this would give Fluke a run for his money. And also would give Probe Master and Pomona a run for his money. When I tell you it's high quality, I'm going to leave it like that. Just think about that for a moment. This is really nice. Okay. You get the multimeter. You get instruction manuals. One in American English and one in the foreign language. Let's see, no, they both are in. Yeah, one in the foreign language, I think is in Germany. Yeah, one in German, one in Germany and one in English. You also get this certificate of calibration. I think this is it. Yeah, certificate of calibration from them. So, it's nice. Let's get down to the meat and potatoes. Put this box on the side. Here we are. I've never had a light, well, I do have a light green meter. In fact, I have two of them. But this green right here reminds me of a company called Isotech. Some of you haven't heard of those too. Isotech is a thing from the UK, but this is their multimeter here. So this rubber boot is really solid, really feels high quality. I guess this is the hook right here. If you want to put buy some, I guess put a nail in the wall or and just hook it on there, you know. But this, okay, and let me turn it on. And this is, I guess, a neck strap that goes around, because I see two holes right here in the bottom. Well, 4 holes, 2 on the side and 2 on the bottom. And I'm supposing that if you want to tie it around your neck, and it'll hang down from with the bottom facing your chin, and when you're ready for it, you can just hold it up like that and do what you want, you know. Make your measurements, and I guess when you're not, it'll be still around your neck like that. But I can't never see. I can't see myself even using that. But I just take it apart to let you guys see. For those of you who are interested in that, they could have, instead of giving me this, I wish you could have gave me. This is a waste to me. They should have gave me a magnetic strap, you know, with some kind of hook that I could hook in here with a magnetic Velcro strap, and that would have been better for me. But anyway, this is, let me turn the backlight on. Maybe some of you guys can see. Check out this backlight. We'll see just how powerful this backlight may be. Pretty decent. It looks brighter on the camera than what it really is, and they only have one level, like the Fluke have 2 levels. They only have 1 level, and I see here that it has 2 displays. They have one for the, and it shows simultaneously, one for the voltage or whatever measurements you have, like voltage, and also shows the hertz that's down here. Now, turn this back on. Now, they have, let me see, they also have this this feature, and I think it's a real nice feature. So you won't make any mistakes. If you want to do an amp measurement, you know, it blocks those two off and it tells you where you put your leads at. I think that's a really nice safety measure. Whoever came up with that, that was a really good idea. Because sometimes even the best of us make mistakes sometimes. And the last thing you want to do is make a fatal mistake when you're making measurements and using around testing electrical stuff. So, but anyway, this is, they just called out some of the features. You have milliamp, let me see, the bottom here. You have milliamp AC, amperage AC. You have volts AC, volts DC. You have off hertz. You have temperature Celsius. I'm not sure. I'm gonna check and see if you can switch over to Fahrenheit, like that's what we use here in America. And they have resistance, capacitance, off again. It's milliamps DC and amperage DC. Okay. Oh, here it is down here. That's Fahrenheit. Okay, they do have it down here. And you have continuity and you have diode testing. Now, and there's also true RMS. This is a true RMS multimeter. Category 3, 600. Category 4, 300. So, let me see what else. You also have a hold feature, auto, or manual, min-max, and you have peak. Of course, it's the backlight, and this may be, okay, this is more like a range. This is a range button, I believe. Let me see. Yeah, this is the auto and manual, but I thought it was up here. Let me see something. Let me see. Okay, well, that's the same thing. Okay, auto and manual. I guess that works the same button. I have to read that. But other than that, this is a really nice multimeter so far, and I don't have any complaints about it at all. It's not small, it's not big. I guess it's like about the size of the average multimeter. But like I said, we'll get into that on the next video, so you guys stay tuned. So I'm really pleased. I'm really pleased, and so when you buy it from the original makers, which would be Rishab, I think it's a little bit higher than the price than what you would when you buy it from GOSSEN. So I don't know how long that this has been out on the market. You know, I've just recently saw it and I had to get it. So, but I'm pleased with it, y'all. I'm very much pleased with this multimeter. I'm looking forward to do some tests with it. I'm drinking me some coffee, y'all, so that's you and me. But anyway, I'm looking forward to do some simple tests with it just to see how well it does against some of the other multimeters that I have here. So with that being said, guys, I just want to tell you thank you as always. Don't forget to hit that like button and that subscribe button. I prefer you hitting both of them. All three of them. No, I'm going to prefer you doing all three. Hit the subscribe button, click and hit the like button, and leave a comment, man. We can all talk twos. So thanks again, and y'all look forward to that other video coming up. Okay? So with that being said, you guys take care and peace out.